Today lecture I'm going to show that this all is a solution of this differential equation. So let's see the answer. So first here writing the given xy equal to a e power x, then after b e power minus x, and here x square. So this I'm going to do the differentiation with respect to x. So here dxy divided by dx, and here a is the constant, d e power x divided by dx, and the next is d e power minus x divided by dx, and here dx square differentiation divided by dx. So here x differentiation, that is 1, and write the y, and write x doing the differentiation of y dy by dx. Here exponential differentiation the same, and here e power minus x and minus x differentiation minus 1, x square differentiation 2x, and after that the next is here y x dy by dx, and this we can write a e power x plus minus minus here e power minus x, and this is now 2x. Now after that the next is here we need to calculate second derivative. So after that this we can write, so this y moving on the right, so x dy by dx, and here a e power x e power minus x, and here 2x minus y that move. So doing the differentiation again, so here d, then x dy by dx divided by dx, and here a d e power x dx minus the next is d e power minus x dx, and here 2 dx by dx, and here minus dy by dx. So doing the differentiation, so x differentiation, that is 1 into dy by dx, and right here x dy by dx differentiation d square y dx square, and here a e power x only, and this value that come minus e power x. So here minus minus that change to plus, and this is now, if you want then you can write in the detailed way, minus e power minus x differentiation minus, and here minus 1, and this is here 1 dy by dx. So after that this here writing dy by dx, and this dy by dx moving on the right, so this is now dy by dx, minus that change to plus, hereafter x d square y dx square, and here a e power x, and minus minus that change to plus e power minus x, and here 2. The next is here x dy by dx to dy by dx, x dy by d square y, and here, so now we can write x d square y divided by dx square, and this is now 2 dy by dx, and the next is here we can write this terms xy equal to aex, and here plus b e power x. Now the next is here we can write, so this we can write here xy, that is equal to a power ex. So here this place that I'm going to write xy equal to a power ex, the next is b e power minus x, b e power minus x, then after here x square. So that here this place we can write a e power x, b e power minus x, that is equal to xy minus x square. So this place we can write this one xy minus x square. This place we can write. So this is now xy minus x square and write the 2. So this place we can write these terms because that is given there. So you can see this is the given. Now after that here, so after that what exactly we need to prove? So here these terms we need to prove. So this all moving on the left. So here x d²y divided by dx², then after 2 dy by dx, then after this is here xy plus x square minus 2 equal to 0. So I think this we need to prove. Xy plus x square minus 2x equal to 0. So this here, that we need to prove or verified.